have somebody behind my back. Who it is? Show yourself.
Greetings!
Greetings, my best friend from Finland. You're back in the business.
We're gonna find some food, some Khasi food. Aki promised to show me a good restaurant, and we're gonna go look for it and enjoy a Khasi meal.
That's what we're gonna go do. So welcome to this journey. Stay tuned and let's see what the day is gonna bring. Pom! We have finally arrived in our destination. I was actually a little bit lost, but no problem. Even we Finnish people, we get lost sometimes. We find the way. Like in this time also. Mähän kerron, että mä en stoppaa.
Obviously, it was expected that we will miss a turn when this guy is driving. He has nothing to say because the truth.
I'm exposed. I'm naked. Let's go. Let's go and have. So this is the place where we have come. Ramew, food court, Chakapam, Ba Pa, Ba Kuid, Bad, Ba Biang, Ba Pa, Ba Kuid, Bad, Ba Biang. Ramew food court. Come and have tasty local Khasi food. Here in the middle of
Rice fields.
Somewhere in the rice fields. That's what. So we have come here to taste some goodies. Goodies from the Khasi kitchen. Khasi food is very good. Yes, Ramew. Okay, so this gentleman correct me. So that's what it is. I'm still, you know, the Khasi language. It doesn't suit my mouth, but I'm practicing and I do my best. So then we can have one day we can have a good conversation, huh? That's what we do.
In Khasi, right?
In Khasi, of course. In Khasi, of course. Have some food. Thank you very much. Huh? Nice cozy place. Hello.
Hello.
How are you guys? Kumnopilo? This Finnish guy, I don't understand what's going on with this Finnish guy. He said that here is cold. He comes from the country, there is plenty of snow. There is like -10 Celsius. And he comes here from that environment and he says that here is cold. Something it doesn't match. Something is wrong. Look at this guy. My goodness, he went to take the jacket from the auto. Thank you. What is this one?
Rosella.
Rosella? It's like a wine or what? Juice? Juice. Okay. Rosella. Cheers. Let's see how the Rosella tastes. Wow. Interesting taste. Nice taste. A little bit salty also. Sour also. Nice taste. Juice.
Starfruit wine. For the friendship. 20 years. 20 years.
No nyt on.
No niin.
Nyt on tuju.
Opened my nose. It really did.
It's very powerful. It's like
it's like citrus as well.
Yes,
You can taste the citrus from the starfruit. Bitter, powerful, very strong taste.
Feels like that if you want to go gym.
Else. Yeah.
Before gym, if you do like that,
this,
you definitely wake up.
You're gonna lift some personal records.
Definitely. It's more sweet. It's not strong. Jackfruit. Cheers.
Cheers. I'm gonna film your reaction.
Okay.
Okay, both of us.
Yes.
We can do it.
We can do it. No problem. Why not?
Okay. One now.
Citrus is also there, a little bit. But good taste. Good
sweet.
taste.
This is perfect after having the starfruit wine.
Yeah.
Because this kind of
Neutralize.
yeah.
This one is smoked pork. This one is bamboo rice. This local chicken soup. This one is turmeric fish with bamboo shoot.
Dried fish with roselle.
Yeah. It's sopreu.
Sopreu.
Sopreu. Tung tap.
Tung tap. Tung tap.
Almost got some mango.
This is papaya.
Papaya.
Yeah. Local chicken.
Local chicken.
Yeah. This one is yam.
Yum.
Yeah.
Something more is down.
Papaya.
Papaya.
Okay, there we have.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. We have mountain to climb, that's why. Welcome to the office.
Welcome to the office. We're gonna climb this Khasi food mountain. We have rice here. This is
This
yours.
was mushroom, right?
Mushroom rice.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh,
Good.
no, let's.
Actually, I never. Have you ever tasted mushroom rice?
No, I have
Everything
never.
is local.
This is
Everything
local.
is
Everything is
local.
local.
Local rice.
Everything is local. I'm excited.
Is this rice from the field?
Yeah.
From this field?
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Also,
Yeah. It's local rice.
that's cool. That is very cool.
Otan vähän tätäkin. Bamboo rice.
Bamboo rice also.
That one we cook in bamboo.
Bamboo.
Yeah, you cook it in bamboo.
Yeah.
Maybe you get bamboo flavor inside, right?
Yeah.
Can you taste bamboo from it? Can you? It's difficult to taste it. Let me try.
Let us see.
Well,
How is it?
it's really good, but I can't taste bamboo.
Let me try.
Mushroom rice. It's really nice.
Yeah.
And I think I had a piece of mushroom. So,
Yeah.
very
Yeah,
good.
this is good.
Yes,
Mushroom
really good.
rice, very good. Very
So-
tasty.
We have all kinds of stuff here.
I start with this one.
First, this was Khasi chicken, local chicken. Local chicken goes here. Quick switch.
Gravy also. Oh, this is bamboo, I think so. Bamboo.
This one was
This was fish. Tum bai.
Tung tap.
Tum tap.
just yes, thank you.
What do you will start?
What was this?
Tomato.
Tomato.
Yeah.
Start with tomato and
will
some
also.
mushroom rice.
Yes. Wow.
The green, not only the tomato, but the green, which plant it is, but it's really good. And we also have a cat here.
Yeah, cat is coming in.
There's a cat.
Beautiful cat.
Yeah.
Asking
Really?
already.
Green
With
eyes.
the eyes. Give me something.
She's making sure that if we make a mess, she's gonna clean.
Let's do the tum tap.
What was this?
Tum
Did you
tap.
take this? Where
Let's
is
try tum tap. This one. Yeah.
All right.
Tum tap.
Tumta going on next.
Tum tap with
Tum tap.
mushroom rice.
Add it with bamboo. This is strong.
It is strong.
This is strong. Tumtap is strong.
Yeah.
Very strong.
How you do tum tap? Is it fish or what?
No, with tomato.
Tum tap
With tomato.
with tung tap.
with
Yeah,
beans or
granny.
what?
Yeah.
It's strong.
Yeah. It's
Tum tap is strong.
You can almost think that there is some fish in it, but
Yes.
there is no.
Yes.
There is no fish in tumtap.
And it's different taste.
Yeah.
Very different
Very
taste.
different, very powerful.
What actually we Finnish people have not used to that kind of taste. It's different, very different.
Yeah.
Or what do you say?
I say that I would say that many Finnish people would be. It could be a bit of a shock.
Yes,
in a
yes.
sense.
Yes. Like
But I think those ones who have eaten the fish in a can, what we have in Finland,
oh yes.
they wouldn't be in shock.
Yeah. That is true.
Right?
We call it.
Mitä se oli se?
What is the fish name?
I can't remember.
Me neither. I go with the fish. This one.
Oh,
We
the
have
dried
also-
fish.
Yes. That's that.
Okay.
This is small
This
fish.
cooked with curry?
What?
Curry or turmeric?
This one is with turmeric.
Turmeric,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Turmeric.
Yeah.
Oh, turmeric is there. Taste.
Turmeric is
Good. Turumbai you don't have.
What else?
Turumbai.
No.
Oh.
What was this?
It's turmeric. Yeah.
So this is like a spicy
Yeah,
with rice
Yeah,
or
okay.
something. Let me try. Oh, did you try it?
Yeah. I'll try some more.
That is also there is
There's turmeric.
strong taste.
Yeah.
Little bit like the tum tum.
Tum tam.
Tum tam.
Was it tum tam? Can't remember. Do you eat the soup? Put my spoon in it. I'll take turns with this big spoon.
Can be like that also. We try this one. What do you
Okay.
think? Let's go with this one. Yes.
Another fish,
Small
small fish, which is also really popular in Tanzania.
Silakka tulee vähän mieleen tai joku tommonen.
This is really close to the ones we eat in Tanzania.
Oh, this is very close.
It's very close to them.
And
What
this
we have in
tastes
Tanzania.
little bit the Finnish fish also.
Silakka.
Is it muikku? Like what you can buy
Yeah,
from
but
the markets,
It's
like
true.
in that time.
It's true, but muikku is not. This is much more strong.
It is much more, but there is
slightly,
a tiny,
slightly.
there is some taste.
Yep.
Let's try.
There's potato
That
here.
is-
We
that
can
is-
do two. So let's have some potato.
And this is also something.
Here's your potato.
Thank you.
What was this?
Fish.
Fish also.
Fish again?
So many fish.
Okay, turmeric.
This is more salty. More
Salty, yeah.
that one.
It's a salt. Different balance of salt and
Yes.
all
it
other
is.
things.
More, all of this fish has taste different. All they are a little bit different. Oh, they have put some nuts here. Or what? Did you try this one?
Yes, I did.
Like how you call this maapähkinä boy? Little
Peanut
bit comes.
butter.
Peanut butter
Peanut
comes a little bit from
Have
there.
they used any peanut butter with it?
Isn't it? Peanut butter comes a little bit.
Yeah, I can relate.
Yes. Pork. Goodness, we have pork here.
We have a pork stick.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Smoked one. Nice. Thank you. Fish also.
Fish.
Oh, it's fish. Also, be careful with the bones.
Oh.
But you used to eating.
Yeah, I actually eat always the bones. No. My
We
tooth.
were laughing with his wife that he eats the bones.
Yeah,
Like, who does that? He does it.
my tooth is like a scissors, you know.
We have some. This, I think Eivar wasn't sure what this was in English. It had a Khasi name.
Oh.
You can obviously recognize it from the picture,
Comment below what it is.
but we're having it right now.
I was going to say that it smells like a jam.
Jam. Well, it
And
doesn't
there-
taste like jam, but like the sweet jam. Of course, jams are different kinds.
Yeah, of course.
Interesting.
Interesting.
It's interesting.
Yes.
Never taste anything like it.
Actually, many of these I have.
Many,
not tasted.
many. But I can't even.
Different.
It's hard to describe
Yeah, what is the taste?
what it's like.
That is very.
Maybe a milder version of the one that is shocking to Finnish people.
Tum. Yeah.
Maybe a little milder version of that.
Yeah. This true.
Really mild. Because tum tum was all around the place, you know.
All around.
This
it
is
goes-
not. This is just going to a few corners.
This tum goes on your veins. So before exercise, before gym, you eat tum. You will
You're like, woo!
do the good liftings.
Good lifting, right? Really good.
Yeah. This one, what is this one? Did it taste this one or what?
Something left behind.
This was has been left behind. Let's go very deep.
Kysy mitä se?
What was this one again?
The stem of the yam.
Stem.
Stem of the yam. Strong as well.
It is also strong.
Powerful.
Strong.
Powerful.
Salty.
Yes.
Powerful.
Powerful.
Different. No wonder Khasi people are very strong because they have this kind of food. Now, what do you say?
That's true. It has to be something like that.
Has to be.
Strong people need
Strong food.
strong food, strong company, strong atmosphere.
Definitely. Good taste. Good Khasi chicken. More. I already finished.
There you have it.
Ah, kato, yes. Didn't finish. It was here. Soft food. Tasty. Chicken.
Chicken is chicken.
What do you say? We have tasted all the
I like
food.
it.
What do you say about the
from the milder side, but still, compared to everything else, the chicken was from the milder side taste-wise.
Yes, definitely.
So it was
Very
easy.
strong taste.
It's easy going.
Different strong taste.
Yeah, in general, but chicken wasn't really that strong.
No. But there's other dishes.
What was your favorite? Or
My favorite.
something that had a special impact?
Actually, I like this one.
Was it that?
This one with this was mild
Yeah.
and tastes like peanut butter.
I have to say I like that.
Oh, that one also.
I have to say I like that.
Yes.
The
This one
salsa.
also. Yes, salsa.
This is like the Khasi salsa.
Khasi
It
salsa.
was really good.
It
That's
goes
my
on-
favorite.
It goes everywhere on your body.
Yeah.
You will get wings. Wings. You eat Khasi.
Wings and flippers.
You eat Khasi food, you will get wings. You can fly away. Wherever you want to fly, you can just eat it and take off.
But why would you want to fly away from here? Look, we have a nice
You just fly in another side.
bamboo restaurant and rice fields. I'll just fly to another field and lay
Yes,
down.
that's why. That's why. We wrap it up. It's good, no? Good food.
Yeah. In general, I love Khasi food. It's really delicious. Not afraid to use spices. Not afraid to try something extraordinary. And all together, combined, it's a food and a taste party.
That's what. You say the same things what I was just thinking. So
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for
very
your
much.
food.
Bye. We got it.